What's up, Tukamukas? This your girl J Marie coming from you within my car. I decided to do a quick what's up video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, comment, subscribe. This channel is predominantly dedicated for those who have had weight loss surgery, gastric sleeve, lap band, gastric bypass, things of that nature, or anyone that's even considering having the surgery done, welcome. I take all feedback, positive, negative. We'll work together on this thing. How about that? Okay, so like I stated, I'm just here on a side note. It's all going to tie in a little bit with the VSG. But today was a day that life changing in a way. You just never know how life can change in a matter of seconds. Appreciate all life. I've been opening up my chakras over the past 5 weeks. And today, oh my God, today was the last opening of my third eye. And it's so interesting that when I started talking, things just started manifesting itself. And I told myself, something that I wanted to do, I knew I couldn't do it with the position that I was formerly working in. So today, no big secret, I'm not going to keep you all waiting any longer. Today I got laid off. I got laid off from my job. Yeah. Last day I opened up my third eye chakra, the blue chakras, as I like to call it. And I got into work. Within an hour and a half of being at work, they tapped on my door and told me to come in. And I knew. First, I thought it might have been about an account. I said, they finna let me go. But I had been thinking about it. The crazy part about it is, I was like, dog, if I can get let go, get my severance pay, save my money, I can focus on some other things that I really want to do, and I have a passion about doing it. Because my job was cool, but it was like I was on neutral. I was just coasting. I came and did what I had to do. I wasn't trying to get no awards, no certificates, and I was just coasting. But I knew that that was not my calling that God had put me on this earth to do. I knew it wasn't. So I was cool with it. I was like, ooh, I feel such a relief. And I said it out loud when they called me in there. And she was like, why? And I said, well, the commute, I didn't get into death. But it was cool. I got my severance package and, I get paid for the whole day today and, whatever. So with that being said, I wanted to focus more on educating people about weight loss surgery. Okay. And I knew I couldn't do that 110% working that full-time job. Like, I want to go to the gym, be able to show you guys what I eat. I've been 6 years out. I had it in 2013. I had the gastric sleeve, for you guys who are new to my channel. I had the gastric sleeve 6 years out, and I've regained some of the weight. I haven't regained it all. I've regained some, but I constantly stay in the gym. And when I go there, I want to record. I want to show you guys my journey, what I eat, and just taking better care, because weight loss surgery is a serious surgery that once you have it, you don't want it to go to loss because you're resurfacing old habits that you initially had. So I want to take you guys on this journey. Today is day one of the whole. I'm not going to count the days going forward, but let's just mark this day in history, because it's everything happens for a reason. The universe has a way of pushing you into your destiny. If you coasting and you just on neutral, and you in your heart all of a sudden say, hey, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but shoot, I'm getting a little paycheck. The universe gonna say, okay, you already done put out there what you want to do. Let me help you out a little bit. So yeah, I mean, it's like I'm sad in a way. I know one coworker. I know she probably was glad to see me go. I ain't gonna mention no names, but she was tad bit maybe jealous of me. I don't even know why, but black women in the work environment is always somehow, some way, a issue, a problem. So now I can focus on educating the masses on this whole weight loss journey, this whole what I do every day. And I'm going to get into the routine of going to the gym, prepping my food, showing you guys what I got from the market, the Asian markets I go to. And I also implement that with my family as well. And when I say family, I mean my son. And, putting the information out there about weight loss surgery. It is a tool. It's not gonna work by itself now. It's a tool, like how you might need a ladder to stand up or to put on a light bulb. That the sleeve is that ladder, basically. I mean, you gotta still monitor what you eat constantly, and then you have to work out all to it. So like, comment, subscribe. Any questions or concerns? I don't intend on blocking out any comments, or my skin is pretty tough, so I can pretty much take criticism. That's not an issue for me, and let's talk about it. As long as it's nothing hateful or just malicious, let's talk about it. Any questions, concerns, put it down below in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tune in, because it's going to be a whole lot coming to you. 2019, this the year, baby. Stay focused on your goals and what you know you put on this earth to do, and what you have a passion about doing it, and you would do it without a second thought. Be blessed. One love.